Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So pleased you could stop by. Today we're going to be doing this pink sparkly look using a Revolution palette. It's this one for the Forever Flawless range. It's called Allure. If you want to know how I got the look, please stay tuned. Today I am going to be using this Revolution Forever Flawless Allure palette. Now this has been out for a couple of weeks and I actually forgot I brought it. I bought this one and I also bought the Utopia palette. So 18 shades for £10. You get your mattes, you get some shimmers, and then you get some foils which are amazing. So without further ado, let's get into a look. It's going to be a look that you can wear anytime. I don't want to do anything really sort of intricate or difficult in case you want to recreate it. I'm not saying you can't, you're probably better at it than me, but if I do a simple look, then you can sort of add your own little take on it. Firstly, we're going to go in with this shade here called Sweetheart, which if ever I've spoken to you, I always call everybody Sweetheart. Thought we'd do it a different way today, and why not mix it up a little. This is very pigmented. I'm only touching the shade and it's picking up a lot. Would you, as viewers, prefer to see a colour swatch of the palettes inserted in? If you let me know and you want to see them, I'll just take a photo and I can show you the colours, because obviously they always look different in the pantsu on the skin, but yet again they look different on your eyes as well to on your arm, but at least you get a sort of idea what they look like. So if you like that, just comment down below and I'll put them in. This shade is beautiful, really easy going, really easy to blend, and the colour is lovely. It's a lovely shade. Okay, so I think we've gone dark enough on that. It's really nice colour. I'm going to use this colour here, which so I've pretty much put that all over my lid and just above my crease, just so you'll be able to see it. Everything will blend into one, but it's nice to see different colours. And I'm going to take this very deep aubergine colour. Waiting for my lipstick tubes things to come so I can do the lip scrub I mentioned last week. Oh, I'm taking this colour here. This is a pretty shade as well. Whoever puts the shades together at Revolution, they really know what they're doing. We're going to add this shimmer shade here, because this is the shimmer shade. Oh wow, it's beautiful. This glitter foil shades, sorry. See, that's better. I don't know what I'm doing, I swear. Obviously, because you want the lighter part to be in the first part of your eye. That really goes together really well. I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to put a black liner on, a black liquid liner over the top. I'm going to run the Revolution, the mascara. So to powder down, I've used the normal Revolution Pro powder foundation in F6. For foundation, I use the one I've been using for a few months now, which is the Simply Ageless 3-in-1 liquid foundation. This one is in 225, which is buffed beige. I'm going to use this from Revolution Pro. I absolutely love this. It's Sculpt and Glow. This one's Sands of Time. I love the colours in this. It's so beautiful. The blusher Reloaded in Violet Love. I don't want anything too colourful. To the Rose Gold Revolution Pro for highlighter palette. I'm going to run the darker purple under my eyes. I'm going to just add a little touch of this shimmery pink. I'm going to go with the white, just so it really pops. That's better. Just really opens your eyes up there. For my fixing spray, I'm going to use my favourite ever, is the Harp Revolution Fixing Spray. This one's in Cookies and Cream. And I'll be back with lashes and lippy. So I've used the Revolution matte lip from the Lip Boutique, and I've got some Poundland lashes on, and they're massive. I didn't expect them to be this big, so I do apologise, but once I'd sort of cut them and put the glue on, it was a bit too late. So, my lovelies, that's my finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please come and subscribe to my family. That would be superb. Until the next time, love you loads. See you soon. Bye, guys.